Hi, I'm Willie Mayette from pianowithwillie.com. I want to welcome you to this lesson on Ben's Blues and a jazz piano snapshot. All right, now what you're going to learn in this lesson is you're going to learn exactly what I just played there. Okay, so you're going to learn the melody of Ben's Blues. I'm going to show you how to do the bass line down here. We're also going to talk about these rootless chord voicings. So you're going to be able to play these rootless chord voicings. I'm going to show you how to play the rootless chord voicings while also playing the bass line in the left hand. And we're also going to break down some improvisation as well. So you'll be able to work through different improvisation licks. Okay? If you've never improvised before, don't worry. This course breaks it down very, very simply. We're going to go through different scales. We're going to go through different rhythms. Going to show you how to use the vocalization approach on rhythm that I've created to make it very easy for you to be able to create your own improvisation and then link it to your bass line. And then finally, we're going to put it all together in our arrangement, in our head solo head, and we're going to do exactly like I just did. We're going to play the song, we're going to improvise, and we're going to play the song again. So this is a great snapshot of jazz piano. You're going to get bass lines, you're going to get chords, you're going to get comping, you're going to get the melody stuff, you're going to get your 12-bar blues, you're going to get improvisation, you're going to learn about chord tensions, you're going to learn about different rhythms. There's a lot of information in here that you're going to learn about, and we're going to deal a lot with improvisation, playing and resting, and then most important at the end, I'm going to talk to you about some different practicing techniques as well. All right, so if you wanted to skip right to that practice techniques, you could take a look at that as well, right? Because that's going to be some very important material for you moving forward. Okay, so this lesson is really for students of any level. If you're an absolute beginner, I would say that you take a look at my Easy Piano Basics stuff first. I have the Piano Essentials there. Take a look at that first, all right, before taking a look at this lesson, right? Once you've done that lesson, then we go very slow in this lesson. So even if you're brand new to the piano, you'll be able to grab these concepts and be able to play them, with not that much difficulty. As long as you practice, you'll be able to get this down. Okay? So I hope you'll join me in the lesson. I look forward to working with you, and I'll see you in the first chapter.